Ladies and gentlemen, I am showing you a clip of Mumbai local trains where a guy is like literally hanging out of the door, and he's actually catching the leaves and all those trees which tend to pass by. So just look at him, what stunt he's doing right now. He seems quite young. He seems quite young. He seems quite young. Just have a look at what he's doing. That is really insane. That's really insane. I think he have noticed me. I think so. He have noticed me. Now see again. See again. See that. See this guy. He's hanging out. He's not really afraid of anything. Not really afraid. Not scared of any damn things. See that.